Hello. Are y'all serving today? Are y'all serving today? See? Um, Let me just look at the menu for a minute to see what it was talking about. my errands has done got detoured. Try to go. This isn't what I wanted, but I'm gonna still eat it. Cause yeah. I asked for El Paso tacos, the pork version, but they gave me this 3 chicken tacos. Which I'm not gonna complain because I am hungry. I haven't eaten since I woke up. Cause I tried to make some oatmeal this morning, and baby, when I tell you I don't know what the hell I was making, that's what I get for following up with people on TikTok. But yeah, so I got three tacos for $7. Still, that's good as hell. We got a little lemon.